Luxoft, a leading provider of high-end software development services, presents Luxoft Horizon is the next-generation advanced data visualization platform that taps into existing data sources and provides innovative user interface through insightful user-tailored dashboards telling the story behind the numbers. Horizon provides over 50 pre-canned dashboards within finance and risk, ensuring record-breaking deployment in any financial institution. The data is gathered from the golden sources, and its representation is determined by client profile and jointly agreed with Luxoft graphical designers and UI experts. Screens and widgets are carefully designed with end users in order to make visuals and navigation as intuitive and comprehensive as possible. Navigating through historical data is as simple as sliding the date cursor. Multiple pages from traditional paper reports are replaced with accelerators, which allow changing the context of the view. Geographical representations help visualizing a situation instantly for any type of information. To ensure the best user adoption and productivity, the navigation is optimized to user needs, preventing overcrowded screens. Widgets are designed to represent data in a clear and meaningful way, making comparisons and decisions more intuitive and timely. Drill downs are available for as many intermediate levels as required. Additional details are one click away, introducing innovative and cutting-edge widgets. Information is displayed in new ways, giving an overview of the situation at a glance. Multiple axes and dimensions are visualized in a single view. This helps replacing numerous pivot tables while bringing enhanced capabilities. Each information is clickable, giving access to a details panel, allowing further pivots and drills. Splits and pivots are available from the details panel, categorized by dimensions, making navigation more intuitive. If further details are required, counterparty level information can be directly accessed by clicking on a category leading to a table view. Widgets adapt to the type and volume of data, providing their own set of features, such as zooming or filtering. This way, every user can reach the desired level of detail required for his job and granted by his entitlements. Intuitive, insightful, innovative. Luxoft Horizon, the next-generation visualization framework. www.luxoft.com/horizon